Take a ride in the 2020 ProMaster. Ram ProMaster provides superior on-the-job performance while helping your business carry more to more places. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, front license plate bracket, tires front all season, front wheel drive, tires rear all season, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.